Skyscanner identifies booking trends and primary source markets within India.
We see Indian travellers behave in a very similar way to our global travellers. So the window for domestic travel is much shorter, so that's people will plan their trips much closer to when they're actually travelling it. We see a longer trip planning time internationally, and we'll quite often see people planning a long way out to get inspiration of where they want to go, which is why our everywhere function is so popular in India. So they'll be inspired to travel, and then it'll be a while then that they then decide, right, I definitely want to book this. And then travel. I think in India we probably see that slightly longer than other markets, but not discernibly longer than other markets. That kind of longer trip and longer haul flying is not massively different from our Indian travellers. Europe is still the largest part of our business, but we also have we have a very big presence in South Korea, Japan, Australia, Singapore, and also into the Gulf states, and Saudi. So we have a big presence all of there. So we see demand into India from all of those regions. The other thing we are seeing more of is we're also seeing very strong growth in Canada as an origin market for us, and we see a lot of demand for travel into India from Canada. Largely with diaspora that are based in Canada wanted to come back to India.
It's a huge vote of thanks from the industry for voting for us and for nominating us and giving us this honor.
Have travel trends shift? Has the domestic boom reversed? We find out more.
A lot of international destinations like Thailand, Asian, Malaysia, anything, they are not having even any free visa to Indians, and that is attracting more. And also a lot of air connectivity to the new destination like Georgia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and they are also very short haul, 3-hour, 4-hour flights. So in case somebody want to travel from Delhi to Kerala, he pay almost the same what he pay go to Kazakhstan, and it's very different, is very nice, and they have lot of. So I think domestic is still thriving on a weekend travel. So slowly that will also get reduced, I think.
BLS International opens new visa application center in Mumbai with a capacity to process 1,000 visas daily. India explores river cruising as a budding travel market.
River cruises is a whole different market. It is not like ocean cruises. So, and that is for even more mature travelers because the boats are smaller and they're on the canal and they go on the river. So it's more of scenic than to enjoy the ocean and the ship and life on ship. So yes, but yes, it is catching up, but I don't think India is a very young market for it, I would say. We do sell sometimes. Some of the river cruises, we have passengers, but all the passengers we have sold in the past are the matured passengers who have done ocean cruises.